Are you struggling to create a captivating landing page? Look no further, and the video will guide you through the process of finding the perfect landing page designer on Fiverr. So to get started with this service on Fiverr, simply head on over to landing page design Fiverr and choose this one or this one. They're the same results. I will click on this link over here. So like you see with me here, this is the homepage of the Fiverr or the interface of the website on this service, where you can find all the key features that you absolutely gonna need on the website, and also the results of the landing page designs for from different designers. We have at least 6,497 service, and here you will find your account. I show you before in my channel how to create an account on Fiverr. You can just come back to the last videos on my channel to see how to create an account on Fiverr. You can just write in the search and you will find the video. So here in the account you will find the profile, the post or request, or how to refer a friend, and how to become a seller, and the setting. That means if you want to change the password, the name, the username, the photo of the profile, or anything else, and also the information of the billing and the payments, and if you want to change the language or the currency. And of course, if you find any issue or problem, you can just go to the help center here. And of course, you can log out from your account whenever you want. So here are, like I said before, the results or of the landing page design. There is a lot of results that you can filter them by service option. Over here you have these choices. If you want to filter by the platform in the tool, you have Figma. It will become 2,963, or by Adobe XD it will become 1,939 results, or by the Adobe Photoshop, WordPress, and plus 24 more choices. And also for the service include, you have the responsive design, source file, content upload, and cover to HTML or the key CSS. And you can just click on apply to activate the filter of what you choose. You can choose just by clicking on it, or you can filter them by seller details. Over here, the level of the seller, the language that he speaks. For the seller level, we have the top rated seller and the new seller. Usually the new seller have cheap designs than the top rated seller, and we have the level 1 and level 2. And for the language that the seller speak, you have English, Hindi, Urdu, Bengal, and plus 27 more. And for the localization of the seller, we have United States, United Kingdom, Germany, Canada, and plus 107 more countries. You can just click on the country that you want to the seller live in and apply the filter by this button over here. And for the budget, that means the price from the minimum to the maximum. You can just write your price over here and the max here, and after that you need just to click on apply to activate the filter for the budget. And we have the delivery time. We have from 24 hours until give me one moment. I activate the budget without I know it. So we will talk about delivery time. We have from 24 hours until 7 days. The express is the 24 hours. You have up to 3 days, up to 7 days, or any time. That means you have no problem with the delivery time. And after you choose whatever you want, you need just to click on apply. And And we have another filters for the results. It's the pro, if you want to see just the pro services, or the local sellers, that mean they live in your same country or city or neighbors, and the online sellers, that mean the sellers are online. Like example, if we want to see a seller is online or offline, we will need just to click on the seller or the design. So like you see here, this button, it will be green, and it was activated in 1 hour. Okay, you will find this if he was online or offline. And if you want to see just the online sellers, you need just to activate this service over here. Now let's try to check out the services that they present to us in the landing page design and try to buy one, or to see the different information that we need to enter to buy a gig from the landing page design. Like example, let's suppose that we like let's suppose that we like this gig in the landing page design. So the first thing that you need to know is the seller, the sentence that he presents his gig for you. This is the stars that this gig is gets, and how many people buy the gig, and the price will be from $45. Later we will see why from and not specifically $45. Now let's try to buy this one. So this is all the information that you need to know about the gig. You will find it over here, and you just to read it to be very confident from yourself that you want to buy that gig specifically, and also some reviews about different persons. You can read them to get sure what you want from Fiverr. So after that, you need just to take a quick look here. We have different designs. And now to buy the gig, you have first thing to do is to choose the plan that you want. We have 3 plans: basic, standard, and premium, with different prices for the and different services. You need just to read them. The basic one is for $45 with this services here, and the standard is with $85 also with the different services, and the premium is the most expensive one, $250 with this services here. So you need just to choose the plan and click on continue, and choose the quantity that you want, 1 until a lot of numbers. And if you want to choose any service, of course, with you will pay for them, and click on continue. So now you need to enter the payment information. First, you need to choose the payment method. أنا جاية. I said you need to choose the payments method. You have the first one is by the credit and debit card, and the second one is by PayPal. So if you choose this one, you need to enter your card number. It's contained in 16 numbers. The expiration date, that means the month, the year, the security code, the first and the last name, and this 2 here should be legal. And if you want to pay with PayPal, you need just to click over here to check out your PayPal. Now, after you get all this information here, you need just to click on confirm and pay to buy the gig. And will be the total that you will pay if you choose that gig. So that's all in our video today. I hope you guys understand. If you liked the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like this. So like usual, my guys, let me say bye bye to the next video and next website.